A vector with a magnitude, which means a length, of 1 is called a unit vector. Unit referring to the fact that it has a length of just 1, exactly 1. The unit vector, so it's got a length of 1, in the direction of the positive x-axis, well, we give that the symbol lowercase I. And if you're typing it, you make it bold. If you're writing it by hand, you underline it to show that it's a vector. Unit vector in the direction of the positive y-axis is given the symbol lowercase j. And same as the I, we underline it if we're writing it by hand, make it bold if you're typing it. So notice it says here positive x-axis, positive y-axis. So here's our y-axis, and here's our x-axis. So I and j are on here. So I is a vector with a length of 1 going in the positive x direction. So that's I. And a vector straight up with a length of 1, we call that j. The magnitude, again, that means the size of a vector, is denoted by putting vertical lines around it. So the length of the vector I is 1, because by definition it's a unit vector, and also the length of j is 1. It is a unit vector. The general formula for finding the length of a vector, well, we can find that by doing some Pythagoras. If we have this vector here, and it goes x across and y up, that's what this means. It also means the same as this, x in the I direction and y in the j direction. Our length is the hypotenuse. We have a right angle triangle here, so we can do some Pythagoras. So the length of A is the square root of x squared plus y squared. And remember, that does not equal x plus y. Try it with numbers if you don't believe me. They are not the same. A unit vector in the direction of A. So if two vectors are in the same direction, then one is a multiple of the other. Well, this is simply A divided by its own length. So this here is a unit vector in the same direction as A. We can see it's in the same direction of A because it's simply a multiple of A. And it's got a length of 1 because we divided A by its own length, which will make it have a length of 1.